Koyasan is one of the best places to experience a temple retreat in Japan. Here, traditional working Buddhist temples offer the opportunity to experience an overnight stay in on-site accommodation and to provide the chance to witness the inner workings of Shingon Buddhists' monastic life. After getting briefly settled in, we were invited to a group meditation session in the main hall of the temple. Then in the evening we got a taste of the special shojin ryori, or vegetarian monk's cuisine, which consists of lots of intricately prepared dishes which flaunt the local and seasonal produce available, whilst of course being meticulously prepared and presented in many small appetizing portions. And of course, what meal would be complete without miso soup? Because Japan.
Are you ready to rope? Nobody else says that.
Bathing was also a very traditional affair, and in true Japanese onsen style.
So because this is an actual practicing Buddhist temple, we get to get up in the morning and go see them do their morning prayers. Let's go check it out.
Thereafter, the morning rituals continued in another specialised hall just outside the temple, and it was certainly something to behold.
So that was a real special experience, seeing such a unique perspective on Buddhist life in Japan. The temple stay itself cost about 12,000 yen. Obviously that includes breakfast, dinner and all the other activities. The temple itself was absolutely gorgeous. It was stunning, both inside and out, and it was well worth looking around, despite the near constant drizzle that we had for the few days whilst we were there. One other really important part about Koyasan is the historic graveyard that they've got there. But more on that in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Oh no. He's sad to be leaving. He's sad to be leaving.
I'm sad to be in this company.